Yo, what's up guys, it's me SE here, and today I'm gonna be doing a quick little bike check video, so let's go. Alright, first up we got my SE flyer grips with the Perry Kramer donuts with the SRAM hydraulic disc brakes with the little tree. This smells really good. Rideout supply, rest in peace to the hater bands. We got the SE Racing stem. It's like engraved, same with the SE. It says SE under there, all engraved. Same over here. So next we got the forks with the landing gear sticker. These nice SE Speedster tires. People say that they're fat. They're really not that fat, but yeah. Next we got the disc for my SRAM brakes right there. So yeah. So next we got the SE pads that come with the PK ripper. They don't do the Velcro on this bike. It's like clips. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Got the PK Ripper signature sticker with the PK Ripper all the way down. It says it all the way down. With this headset, I forget what it's called, but yeah. So then next we have this ROS sticker right here with the SE flyer. Well, racing, I don't know what type of cranks. Yeah, the old racing cranks and sprocket with these pedals. So yeah, then I like how they don't make the line go out like under anymore. It like goes inside the bike and then out. So got this adjustable seat clamp with my SE flyer seat in red. With my SE pegs right here with the SE chain tensioners. Forgot to mention the spoke skins. Got them from like Amazon or something. And we got SRAM brakes all back here. So yeah, this is my bike check video. Stay tuned for more things on my bike. Might be getting a sticker kit soon, so stay tuned for that. I forgot to mention, but we also do have a couple of clips of me and my friends riding, so I'll add those. It was from the SB Bentley birthday ride out, so yeah, I'll add